Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy pizza red sauce from scratch. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need high-quality canned whole peeled tomatoes, preferably San Marzano for the best base. Also, have fresh garlic, good olive oil, a pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, and a tiny bit of sugar on hand. These few items are all you need to create a fantastic homemade sauce. Now, let's begin cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Add 2 cloves of finely minced garlic and sauté for about 1 minute until it becomes fragrant, but do not let it brown. Next, carefully add your crushed whole peeled tomatoes to the pot. Stir in 1 teaspoon of salt and a small pinch of sugar to balance the acidity. This is where the magic happens. Reduce the heat to low and let your sauce simmer gently for at least 30 minutes, or even up to 1 hour for deeper flavor. Stir it occasionally to prevent any sticking to the bottom of the pan. During the last 10 minutes of simmering, stir in a handful of fresh basil leaves and about 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano. Your homemade pizza sauce is almost ready. Give it a taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. You might want a little more salt or perhaps a dash of red pepper flakes for a subtle kick. Once you are happy with the flavor, let the sauce cool completely. Store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or freeze it for several months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.